Peel it. I feel like it came out pretty good, you guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tapped In Reviews. Today, we're not reviewing liquor, but we're going to see if Supacolor transfers will work with the Cricut Easy Press. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Now, for the unboxing of the Cricut Easy Press. Anybody that work for Walmart Sam's Club know what this is. If you know, you know. This is the Cricut 9x9 Easy Press 2. It can heat up to 400 degrees. I'm excited, y'all. It might not sound like it, but I'm excited AF. So I pretty much just unboxed everything. This is the packaging that the Supacolor transfers come in. Nice package. It also gives directions on how to press. And this is, I'm assuming, with a clamshell, but I don't have a clamshell press. I have a Cricut Easy Press. For cotton garments, the press temp is 290 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 to 15 seconds. And 40 psi, so a firm pressure. So hopefully I'll be able to apply that with my hand with the Cricut manual Easy Press 2. The design is very detailed, looks exactly like how I sent it to the Supacolor. I'm in love with it. Hopefully it works on sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts. Yeah, this is very, 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 very nice. This is the Cricut Easy Press that I'll be using. It's the mint color 9x9 Easy Press. You can order it on Amazon. I actually ordered this from Walmart.com, which was maybe a little bit cheaper, but with orders over $25, it ships free, so I went with it. So I'm gonna plug this Easy Press in, heat it up to the max recommended temperature, which is 320, and we gonna see how this comes out, you guys. So now we wait. Not sure if y'all can see this, but it's gradually going up in temperature. And I set it to 320. And I set the timer for, I want to say 20 seconds because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to apply enough pressure as a clamshell will. So I set the timer for 20 seconds. It's just a test run. Hopefully it comes out good. The Cricut Easy Press has reached the desired temperature. So I'm gonna change this camera angle for y'all, and we'll be right back. So we're back. I've changed it. I've changed the angle, and I got it set up for you guys so you can see me do my first Supacolor heat transfer press. This is my first time ever doing this, so guys, bear with me. I've never used Supacolor before. I've never used a Cricut Easy Press before. So I just want to show you guys if a Cricut Easy Press, which is not a clamshell heat press, can work with Supacolor. So normally you would pre-press your garment. Get all the wrinkles out that it might have. Do that. Yeah, it's warm to the touch, y'all. I'm about to use this for an iron. Shout out to Loaf God below. Now I have my area prepped to apply the transfer. So make sure it's centered exactly how you want it. You can use a reference. Since my design is kind of tall and long, I'm gonna use about 3 fingers from the collar. Make sure it's aligned and centered. That look straight, y'all? If not, we rolling with it. Next, you grab your Easy Press, and it says, let me let y'all read this. 290 to 320 for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna go a little longer than 15 seconds since I'm the one applying the pressure. And we're gonna see if this thing work, y'all. Also, it is a peel hot immediately or warm peel. So I'm gonna try to peel hot. As soon as I take the press off, I'm gonna roll the thing up off that thing. Pressing hard, you guys. I'm pressing real hard. Like that. Peel it. I feel like it came out pretty good, you guys. So, since I stopped peeling it, the end came up a little bit, so this is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna put the paper back on top of it, press it down for a few more seconds, and then take it off. I said it looked pretty good, guys. I like it. Still can see design a little bit on the transfer. It feels so thin. Oh my God. I'm really loving this, you guys. Side note, when you do peel the heat transfer, you have to pull with confidence and pull tight and pull swift, so you won't run into any mishaps. Because when I first did it, I kind of paused, and then the end wasn't all the way down, so I pretty much just put the paper back on, pressed it for about 5-10 more seconds, took it off, and it was on there. It's on there good. Like, it is on there. Like, this is very durable. I'm thoroughly pleased. Like, it looked like I just did it, which I really did, but it's good. So just keep that in mind. When you peel it fast. So as you guys can see, the transfer came out beautiful. It's nice, it's soft, it's exactly what I want. It's durable, stretchable, and from other reviews, it's washable. But it'll be best to probably turn the inside out if you wash it, but it will last through washes. I am thoroughly pleased with Supacolor heat transfers and my Cricut Easy Press. Check the description. I will leave a link to where I bought both of these. With Supacolor, you'll have to sign up for Supacolor. Give it about a day, probably less than a day. They'll reach back out to you. Then you'll have access to their site. Cricut Easy Press, you can find it on Amazon, or you can actually go on Walmart.com, and it's free shipping with orders over $25. And that's where I order mine from, Walmart.com. This is good. So tap the reviews, Supacolor, and Cricut Easy Press. It's a go. Come here for the reviews, come here for your transfers, and come here to apply the transfers. It's been a beautiful experience, my first time ever doing it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If this video was helpful to anyone, leave a like. If you want to watch the liquor reviews, subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like this was good, leave a comment down below. Let me know, let everyone else know what you think about Supacolor and what you think about the Easy Press. And I just decided to make a video showing both of them off. So leave a comment, let us know how it works for you guys. This is Tap the Reviews, and we are out.